Ready to unlock huge savings before the Black Friday chaos begins? Today, we're revealing 20 Black Friday Amazon kitchen gadget deals with up to 50% off, limited time only. From smart appliances to game-changing tools, these trending gadgets will transform your cooking space and save you serious money. Don't wait for the rush. These early deals are too good to miss. Let's dive straight into the kitchen magic. Number 1. Callsky 2-in-1 Titanium Cutting Board 16-inch. The Callsky 2-in-1 Titanium Cutting Board is a sleek and durable kitchen essential that combines elegance with functionality. Its titanium surface resists scratches and stains, while the detachable tray underneath catches every slice and scrap for a cleaner prep area. Perfect for chopping meat, fruits, or veggies, this board's non-slip edges keep it stable, even during heavy-duty cutting. It's lightweight, hygienic, and built to last, making it a true upgrade to any modern kitchen. Number 2. Cattleman 6-in-1 Panini Grill Press, 1600-watt grill, toast, and sear your way to perfection with the Cattleman 6-in-1 Panini Grill Press. Boasting 1600 watts of power, it delivers even heat across its non-stick plates for flawless results every time. Adjustable temperature controls and a floating lid design handle everything from juicy burgers to crispy sandwiches. With easy cleanup and versatile cooking functions, this grill press turns your countertop into a mini kitchen powerhouse, perfect for everyday meals or weekend feasts. Number 3. Kitchenaid Ice Cream Maker Attachment 2-quart. Turn your stand mixer into a dessert dream machine with the Kitchenaid 2-quart Ice Cream Maker attachment. It lets you whip up smooth, creamy ice cream, gelato, or sorbet right at home. The bowl freezes quickly and evenly, while the dasher spreads and scrapes for perfect texture. Whether you're making classic vanilla or experimenting with fun flavors, this attachment makes it simple, fast, and oh so satisfying. Ideal for sweet tooth lovers looking to chill in style. Number 4. Rinpir 33-piece griddle accessories, kit barbecue. Elevate your backyard cooking with the Rinpir 33-piece griddle accessories kit. It includes everything from spatulas and scrapers to tongs and squeeze bottles, all crafted from durable stainless steel. Designed for barbecue lovers, each tool withstands high heat and offers a comfortable grip for easy flipping and handling. Packed neatly in a storage bag, it's perfect for home cooks or grill masters who love precision, cleanliness, and complete control over every sizzle and sear. Number 5. Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. Hand crank. The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater takes the hassle out of grating with its smooth hand crank design. Made with high-quality stainless steel blades, it shreds cheese, nuts, and veggies in seconds without cutting your fingers. The suction base keeps it stable on any surface, while the detachable parts make cleaning effortless. Compact and efficient, this grater saves time and space, an excellent tool for quick salads, pasta nights, and everyday kitchen creativity. Number 6. Kitchenaid Classic Can and Bottle Opener Black. The Kitchenaid Classic Can and Bottle Opener is the reliable kitchen helper you never knew you needed. Built with sturdy stainless steel and a comfortable handle, it easily opens cans and bottles with a smooth, precise twist. Its matte black finish gives it a timeless, modern look that complements any kitchen decor. Durable, easy to clean, and built to last, it's the kind of simple upgrade that makes everyday cooking just a little more effortless. Number 7. Circle Joy 7-in-1 Electric Wine Opener Set. Enjoy a seamless wine experience with the Circle Joy 7-in-1 Electric Wine Opener Set. This elegant bundle includes an automatic corkscrew opener, foil cutter, vacuum stopper, and aerator. Everything you need to elevate wine nights. Its sleek design and rechargeable battery make uncorking bottles effortless and stylish. Perfect for hosting dinners or gifting wine lovers, this set adds a touch of sophistication to your bar setup while keeping every pour fresh and smooth. Number 8. Mylifeunit Pancake Batter Dispenser 40-ounce. The Mylifeunit Pancake Batter Dispenser makes breakfast mess-free and perfectly portioned. With its 40-ounce capacity and easy pour handle, it dispenses consistent batter for pancakes, waffles, or cupcakes without drips or waste. Crafted from durable, food-grade plastic, it's easy to clean and simple to store. Whether you're cooking for one or a family brunch, this dispenser gives you restaurant-style control and precision right from your kitchen counter. Number 9. Ticyack Handheld Steam Cleaner 16-piece white. The Ticyack Handheld Steam Cleaner is your all-in-one tool for deep, chemical-free cleaning. With 16 versatile attachments, it tackles everything from greasy ovens to kitchen tiles. Its powerful steam pressure removes grime and bacteria in seconds, leaving surfaces spotless and sanitized. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or appliances. Say goodbye to tough stains and hello to sparkling clean results with this compact yet mighty steamer. Number Number 10. Meker Bristle-Free Grill Brush Cleaner. Keep your grill spotless with the Meker Bristle-Free Grill Brush Cleaner. Unlike traditional brushes, its innovative coiled design safely scrubs grates without shedding metal bristles. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel and a comfortable handle, it powers through burnt-on grease and residue with ease. Perfect for gas, charcoal, or smoker grills, this tool ensures your cooking surface stays clean and safe for every barbecue session. Tough on grime, but gentle on your grill. Number 11. Yastant Stainless Steel Ice Cream Scoop with Trigger. The Yastant Stainless Steel Ice Cream Scoop makes serving desserts smoother than ever. Its sturdy trigger release mechanism effortlessly carves through even the hardest frozen ice cream. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the stainless steel's body ensures long-lasting durability. Perfect for scooping cookie dough, mashed potatoes, or melon balls, this versatile tool adds convenience and style to every kitchen drawer. Number 12. Lemonroad 4-piece silicone freezer tray with lid. The Lemonroad 4-piece silicone freezer tray set makes storing sauces, baby food, or broth incredibly easy. Each tray includes a snug-fitting lid that prevents spills and freezer burn. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, these trays are safe, flexible, and easy to pop out when frozen. Ideal for portion control or meal prep, they're reusable and dishwasher safe, making them an eco-friendly solution for organized, waste-free freezing. Number 13. Hopegiver Stone Dish Drying Mat 23 by 15 inch. Say goodbye to soggy counters with the Hopegiver Stone Dish Drying Mat. Crafted from natural diatomaceous stone, it absorbs water instantly and dries fast, keeping your countertop clean and hygienic. Its sleek 23 by 15 inch surface provides plenty of space for dishes, glasses, and utensils. Stylish and practical, this mat is heat-resistant, non-slip, and super easy to maintain. A must-have for anyone who values both form and function in their kitchen. Number 14. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder USB-C Set. Upgrade your seasoning game with the Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Rechargeable via USB-C, these sleek mills feature adjustable coarseness levels and one-touch operation for precise flavor control. Built with transparent chambers and bright LED lights, they're perfect for cooking or dining in style. Long-lasting, quiet, and easy to refill, this duo brings convenience and sophistication to every meal, an ideal gift for any home chef. Number 15. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer delivers quick and accurate temperature readings in seconds. Designed for both indoor and outdoor cooking, it ensures your meat is always perfectly done. The bright digital display and foldable probe make it easy to use and store. Whether you're grilling steaks, roasting chicken, or baking, this thermometer adds confidence and precision to every recipe because great cooking is all about perfect timing. Number 16. Sourdough Starter Proofing Kit 9-inch Bake Like a Pro with the Bantbskt Sourdough Starter Proofing Kit. This 9-inch set includes a banneton basket, linen liner, scraper, and scoring tools. Everything you need for artisan bread. Made from natural rattan, the basket helps dough rise evenly while leaving beautiful spiral patterns. Ideal for home bakers, this kit simplifies the bread-making process and enhances results. It's your shortcut to bakery-quality loaves right from your own kitchen. Number 17. Tiluck Stainless Steel Measuring Cups and Spoons 10-piece set. The Tiluck Stainless Steel Measuring Cups and Spoons set ensures accuracy in every recipe. With engraved markings that never fade, these 10 pieces provide precise measurements for baking or cooking. The nesting design saves space, while the included rings keep everything neatly organized. Made from durable, rust-resistant steel, this set is both dishwasher safe and built to last, a timeless addition to any serious cook's collection. Number 18. Sondiko Refillable Butane Torch Lighter. Unleash your inner chef with the Sondiko Refillable Butane Torch. Ideal for caramelizing desserts, searing meats, or melting cheese, it offers adjustable flame control for precision cooking. Its ergonomic grip and safety lock make it easy and secure to handle. Refillable and durable, this torch adds a professional touch to any kitchen. Whether you're crafting creme brulee or lighting up your barbecue, it's a fiery little tool that packs a punch. Number 19. Unbleached Parchment Baking Paper Roll. 200-foot bake and roast with confidence using this unbleached parchment baking paper roll. Spanning 200 feet, it's non-stick, heat-resistant, and free from harmful chemicals. Perfect for lining trays, wrapping food, or rolling dough, it makes cleanup a breeze. Eco-friendly and easy to tear, it's every baker's must-have for healthier, waste-free cooking. Once you try it, you'll never go back to greasing pans again. Number 20. Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener and Gloves Set. Keep your blades razor sharp with the Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener and Gloves Set. Featuring 4 precision sharpening slots for all blade types, it restores dull knives in seconds. The non-slip base ensures stability, while the included cut-resistant gloves provide safety during use. Compact, effective, and easy to store, this sharpener is a kitchen essential that brings old knives back to life and keeps your prep effortless and precise. Don't miss out on these early Amazon kitchen accessories Black Friday deals. They're selling fast. Grab your favorites now, save big before the rush, and give your kitchen the upgrade it deserves this holiday season.